Hello, what is your name?
Avelin Abad,
How old are you?
35,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids you have?
3,
How old are they?
13, 10, 8,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Kuwait,
How many years there?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
4 years, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Causeway Bay.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
4,000,
How many family member there?
5,
How many children?
3,
How old are they?
25, 19, 16.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Wake up at 6 a.m. I start working 6 to 12 p.m. Then I prepare the breakfast of my sir 8:30. Then my madam is 10 o'clock. Then they going out for business work.
Okay.
And after that, my madam will go back for lunch, then stay in. So I'm doing for all cleaning, marketing, and car washing.
Okay, how about dinner? What time you cook?
I cook 7 p.m.
What time they eat?
They eat 7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
12.
12 o'clock.
Yes,
Okay, thank you so much.